Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Repair and Installation TV channel. The Sennebogen 870 crawler Special Electro is making waves in the port handling industry, particularly at the Efesen port in Özdeğintes, Turkey. This impressive piece of machinery is revolutionizing the way materials are loaded onto trucks, offering efficiency, power, and environmental friendliness. Equipped with a clamshell grab, the Sennebogen 870 crawler Special Electro is designed to handle a wide range of materials, including bulk goods, scrap metal, and construction debris. Its crawler tracks enable smooth movement across various terrains, ensuring optimal maneuverability in the busy port environment. One of the standout features of this machine is its electro-driven system, which eliminates the need for traditional diesel engines. The use of electric power significantly reduces emissions and noise levels, making it an eco-friendly choice for port operations. This feature aligns with the growing emphasis on sustainability and the reduction of carbon footprints in the industry. At Efesen Port, the Sennebogen 870 crawler Special Electro efficiently loads trucks with precision and speed. Its powerful grab enables it to handle large volumes of material in a single scoop, optimizing productivity and reducing downtime. The operators at Efesen Port appreciate the user-friendly controls and advanced technology of the Sennebogen 870 crawler Special Electro. With its ergonomic cabin design and state-of-the-art monitoring systems, operators have enhanced visibility and can monitor the machine's performance in real time. In China, the use of old dump trucks has been a prevalent practice for many years. These trucks, typically past their prime and no longer meeting modern emission standards or safety regulations, have been widely used in various construction and mining activities across the country. However, in recent years, the Chinese government has implemented measures to address the environmental and safety concerns associated with these aging vehicles. One of the key issues with old dump trucks is their contribution to air pollution. These vehicles often lack advanced emission control systems, leading to high levels of harmful pollutants being released into the atmosphere. Recognizing the need to reduce pollution levels, China has been actively promoting the retirement of older, high-emission vehicles, including dump trucks, through its vehicle scrappage programs. These programs provide financial incentives to encourage owners to replace their old trucks with newer, more environmentally friendly models. Additionally, the Chinese government has tightened regulations regarding safety standards for vehicles used in construction and mining operations. Dump trucks that do not meet these standards are gradually being phased out to enhance worksite safety. The implementation of these regulations has led to increased inspections and stricter enforcement, resulting in penalties for those found operating outdated and unsafe vehicles.
А я легкий. Я не хочу, чтобы меня в интернете видели.
Moreover, China has been actively investing in the development and deployment of electric and hybrid dump trucks as part of its broader efforts to reduce carbon emissions. The country has set ambitious targets to increase the adoption of electric vehicles, including commercial trucks, and has provided incentives for the purchase and use of electric dump trucks. This transition towards cleaner and more sustainable transportation options is expected to further diminish the reliance on old, polluting vehicles. Liebherr mobile cranes are renowned for their exceptional lifting capabilities and maneuverability in various terrains. However, even these powerful machines encounter challenges when navigating narrow bends on hilly roads. In such situations, Liebherr mobile cranes may require assistance from another vehicle to successfully negotiate the bend and make the required rotation. As the Liebherr mobile crane approaches the narrow bend on the hilly road, the operator carefully assesses the situation. The bend is too sharp for the crane to navigate smoothly on its own, given its large size and limited turning radius. Recognizing the need for additional support, the operator communicates with the crew and calls for assistance. Another vehicle, typically a heavy-duty truck or a specialized towing vehicle, is brought in to aid the Liebherr mobile crane. The assisting vehicle is positioned strategically to exert pulling force on the crane, providing the necessary torque to help it make the rotation. To begin the maneuver, the Liebherr mobile crane operator secures the crane's position, ensuring it is stable and won't slide or tip during the process. Safety is of utmost importance during this operation, and the operator takes all necessary precautions to prevent accidents or damage to the crane or the assisting vehicle. Once the Liebherr mobile crane is secured, the assisting vehicle slowly begins to pull. The operator of the assisting vehicle communicates closely with the crane operator to ensure a synchronized movement. As the pulling force is applied, the Liebherr mobile crane starts to rotate slowly, guided by the combined efforts of the two vehicles. The operator of the Liebherr mobile crane carefully controls the crane's boom and swing movements to maintain balance and prevent any sudden shifts. The rotation continues steadily until the crane has completed the maneuver, aligning itself with the road and allowing safe passage through the narrow bend. Throughout the process, communication and coordination between the crane operator and the assisting vehicle's operator are critical. Clear signals and instructions are exchanged to ensure smooth and controlled movement. Once the Liebherr mobile crane successfully negotiates the bend and completes the rotation, it can continue its journey up the hilly road. The assisting vehicle disengages, and the crane resumes independent operation, utilizing its exceptional lifting capabilities to carry out the intended tasks. In China, incidents of trucks plunging into cliffs while traveling on mountain roads have unfortunately occurred in the past. These accidents are often attributed to factors such as poor road conditions, driver error, or mechanical failures. When such an incident takes place, a specialized rescue operation is typically launched to retrieve the truck and ensure the safety of the driver and any passengers involved. The process of rescuing a truck that has crashed down a cliff often involves the use of heavy machinery, such as an excavator. Firstly, the area around the accident site is secured to prevent any further dangers or potential landslides. Rescue personnel assess the situation and determine the best approach to retrieve the truck while ensuring the safety of the recovery team. An excavator is usually brought to the site, as it offers the necessary power and reach to access the truck down the cliff. The operator of the excavator carefully maneuvers the machine to reach the crashed vehicle, taking into consideration the stability of the surrounding terrain. Using the excavator's arm and bucket, the operator attempts to stabilize the truck and secure it before initiating the recovery process. With utmost caution, the excavator slowly lifts the truck, taking into account the weight distribution and any structural damage the vehicle may have suffered. The operator communicates with the recovery team on the cliff's edge to ensure coordination and safe execution of the operation. Once the truck is lifted to a stable position, it can be carefully transported to a secure location using additional recovery vehicles or tow trucks. Throughout the entire process, the safety of the recovery team and anyone involved remains the primary concern. The rescue operation requires skilled personnel, appropriate equipment, and a systematic approach to ensure the successful retrieval of the crashed truck while minimizing any further risks or damage. Truck driving is undoubtedly a challenging and dangerous profession that carries inherent risks on the road. The nature of this occupation involves operating large, heavy vehicles that can pose significant hazards not only to truck drivers themselves, but also to other motorists sharing the road. Here are some specific statistics that shed light on the dangerous nature of truck driving. Fatalities. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, large truck crashes resulted in 4,951 fatalities in the United States in 2020. This accounted for about 10% of all traffic fatalities for the year. Work-related fatalities. The Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, reported that transportation incidents accounted for the highest number of fatal work injuries in 2019, with truck drivers experiencing the most fatalities among all occupations. This highlights the occupational risks faced by truck drivers. Non-fatal injuries. The transportation and warehousing industry, which includes trucking, has consistently ranked among the top industries with the highest rates of non-fatal injuries. These injuries can range from minor cuts and bruises to more severe injuries, such as fractures or spinal injuries. Fatigue-related accidents. Fatigue is a significant concern for truck drivers, as long hours on the road and irregular schedules can lead to drowsy driving. According to the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, fatigue was a contributing factor in approximately 13% of large truck crashes. Highway fatalities involving trucks. Large trucks are involved in a disproportionate number of fatal crashes on highways. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, reported that in 2019, 67% of the deaths in accidents involving large trucks were occupants of passenger vehicles, while 15% were pedestrians, bicyclists, or motorcyclists. Occupational hazards. In addition to road accidents, truck drivers face other occupational hazards, such as musculoskeletal injuries from loading and unloading cargo, exposure to hazardous materials, and the risk of slips, trips, and falls while entering or exiting the truck. Mental health challenges. The isolated nature of truck driving, long hours away from home, and the pressure to meet tight deadlines can take a toll on the mental health of truck drivers. Depression, anxiety, and social isolation are common issues faced by many individuals in this profession. These statistics highlight the inherent risks involved in truck driving. To address these dangers, it is crucial to prioritize safety measures, such as strict adherence to traffic laws, regular vehicle maintenance, driver training programs, and initiatives to combat driver fatigue. Additionally, promoting mental health support and well-being for truck drivers can contribute to reducing the risks associated with this profession. The Sennebogen 723 pick and carry timber handler is a versatile machine that excels in log handling operations within the sawmill industry in Austria. Its compact dimensions make it ideally suited for small sawmills, timber operations, and log yards where maneuvering through narrow spaces is essential. The Sennebogen 723 pick and carry timber handler is designed to navigate tight areas with ease. Its compact size allows it to access confined spaces, such as narrow alleys and storage areas where larger machines struggle to reach. This flexibility improves efficiency and reduces the need for manual labor in log handling processes. Equipped with a powerful travel drive and impressive acceleration speed of up to 20 kilometers per hour, the Sennebogen 723 effortlessly conquers inclines and challenging terrains. This feature ensures quick and smooth movement throughout the sawmill premises, allowing for efficient log transportation. Operators at sawmills appreciate the ease of operation and maneuverability of the Sennebogen 723 pick and carry timber handler. The intuitive controls and ergonomic cabin design provide a comfortable and safe working environment. Operators can navigate the machine with precision, making log handling tasks more efficient and reducing the risk of accidents. The Sennebogen 723 pick and carry timber handler significantly improves productivity and workflow in sawmills. Its compact dimensions, powerful travel drive, and maneuverability enable seamless movement of logs, optimizing the log processing operations.